The topic of today's video is how to send and receive Bitcoin on Coinbase. Alright, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to go to the bottom left-hand side here on this little pie chart. And we're going to click on transfer at the bottom here. And then we'll start off with receiving crypto. So let's click on that. And then we need to choose Bitcoin or whatever coin. Then we need to select our network. And in here, we can either scan the code on whatever wallet we're sending this from. So Trust Wallet or Phantom, it's up to you. Or you can just copy the address and paste it into your wallet. All right, now we'll jump back over here and click on Send Crypto this time. So in here, they'll ask you for your wallet address. So you will get that from your wallet. Again, I don't know what wallet you are using. It depends on you. And you'll just paste it in the search bar. And then it's going to ask you what asset you want to send. So you'll either search for Bitcoin, but if you have Bitcoin in your wallet, it will pop up. Next up, they will ask you how much Bitcoin do you want to send. And then they will give you a review with the amount of Bitcoin you want to send and the fees, and you will just have to confirm. Unfortunately, I have no assets, so I can't actually show you, but that's exactly how it's going to go down. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.